Next question is question number 8, NCERT book. So what we can do here is we can simply NCERT book class 12th, okay, we can integrate of these equations, okay, by dx. So we are applying here the partial fraction. So what we can do here, so we can simply write this equation, okay, and x plus 2. So it is coming out as a upon x minus 1 and plus b upon x minus 1 of whole square plus c by, this is the partial fractions you can see on the NCERT book or everywhere, so it is mentioned here, okay. So what we can do, we can simply take the LCM of these equations, okay. So we are taking LCM, x minus 1 whole square and x plus 2 is coming out. So if we put here, so it is coming out x minus 1. If we take b, so sorry for it, so here it is LCM is what, x plus 2 is also. So what the LCM of c, okay. So what we can do here, so we can simply put the value. So it is a eliminating method, so it's a very easy method, so we can simply apply. So if you put value x equals to 1, so this becomes 0, this becomes 0, only the b is coming out here. So we know the value of b. So if you're putting x equals to 0, it is only the here, so 3 of b. So the what is value of b is 1 by 3. If you put the value of x equals to minus 2, this becomes 0, this becomes 0, only the term is here. So if we putting x equals to minus 2, so this is 2 minus 2. If you put here to here, it is 0. I'm not going to write. If you're putting minus 2 here, so it is minus 3 ka whole square, so it is 9. The value of c is 2 by 9. If you put we know the value of a, so what we put here, so if you put minus 2, this is also 0. If you put 1, it is also 0. So now it is the only option is to put x equals to 0. We already know the value of 2 terms, so it is in the other side is 0. If you're putting 0 here, so it is coming out as a minus 2a. If you put here, so it is coming out as a 2b. If you put 0 is here, so it is coming out c. Now what we do, we can put the value of b and c, okay, minus 2. So here it is better option is that we can send minus 2 in the other side, so 2 is here. So if you put the value of 2 by 3 b, and if the value of 3 9, okay. So if you solve this equation by taking LCM, it is 9. It is 6 minus 4, 2 is 4. If you cancel out by 2, so the value of a is 2 by 9, okay. So we know that all the values, we can put all the values here or here. So simply, what is the value of 2 by 9 a? 1 by x minus 1. What is the value of b? Plus so 1 by 3, 1 upon, sorry, yes, these are multiples, so x minus 1 whole square. What is the value of c is 2 by 9. So the value of 2 by 9 is x plus 2. So see this, we can integrate both of them like this. So now we integrating of both of them, 2 by 9 ln of x minus 1. So we can write here 2 by minus is common, minus ln of x plus 2. And it is coming out this plus 1 by 3. What is the integration of this? So integration of this is x minus 1 ki power minus 2 plus 1. So what is coming? Now we on the continuous solving these equations, we can write simply over here. It is 2 by 9. We are applying the formula here, x minus 1 upon x plus 2, for this is the logarithmic formula, and this is minus 1 by 3 or 1 upon x minus 1. This is the multiply. So this is basically the answer of this question, guys. Like and subscribe, share with your friends. See you on the next video. Till now, bye bye, and subscribe the channel.